Live from the Is Weather Time Texamet Studios.
Severe weather coverage starts right now.
And the severe weather coverage is taking us to the radar. We had a pop in for a severe thunderstorm warning that is located over Richmond. This storm is nearly stationary. Right now, Bon Air, Manchester, Mechanicsville, Highland Springs, Mechanicsville, Sandston. This is a very big lighting producer, so you are under a severe thunderstorm warning. The city of Richmond is under a severe thunderstorm warning. We also have a flash flood warning in play for this cell that just blew up out of nowhere on the radar. I would say in the last 20 minutes just came right alive on the radar. Let's go ahead and take it to the radar, and I will show you what we're looking at here. We're looking at this cell right here that just blew up over Richmond. Now it's scooting to the east, northeast. Right now it's over Mechanicsville. And there is a flash flood warning with this cell. Its projected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in about 30 minutes. And that's pretty significant. With just a discrete cell that just popped, like I said, just popped up on the radar. Right here, current conditions where I'm at, we're windy and cloudy. We got a little bit of rain falling, but with Mechanicsville, this storm has just completely and blew up out of nowhere. I'm looking at it from two different radars tonight. Right now, I'm looking at it. You're looking at it on the main radar that we use here at It's Weather Time, which is Radar Omega, and I'm looking at it from Radar Scope. We're still looking at it from AKQ, that's the radar, that's the National Weather Service here in Wakefield, and this cell has some good structure to it. The reason why they went ahead and did the flash flood warning, because we do have reports of flooding coming in on radar scope. We got M-pings coming in over on we do have M-pings on radar. We also do have branches down. So let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over to. So y'all are still looking live at the radar. Y'all looking at this cell. Y'all still looking at this cell in on Radar Omega. So the reason why we have the flash flood warning is this report right here. This happened at 4:34. This is the timestamp at 4:34. 3 miles northeast of downtown Richmond, which is, of course, in the city of Richmond. Public reports flash flood at 4:30. Waves reported water over roadway at Chamberlain and Brooklyn Road. Corroborated by VDOT cameras at 195 at mile marker 78. We also have another report 1 mile southeast of Atlee, which is right up here, close to where I'm at, in Hanover County. Public reports flooding at 4:35. Public report of flooding along Atlee Road at I-295. So let's go back here. So there reports of flooding happening right in this area, right here, and about this area right up here. That's where they're talking about flooding. So I'm gonna y'all still gonna look live at the radar. I'm going to pull up the VDOT camera. I'm going to pull up VDOT cameras and see if I can't see anything. And if I do see anything, I will tell you. There's a little bit of ponding on the road at Atlee Road and 295. So let's go over here into Chamberlain. Chamberlain on the interstate's all clear. Just looking for any signs of. Just looking at any signs of flooding. I don't see any right now. I don't see any flooding. So let's look at this storm back at the radar. We have 3 minutes with this severe thunderstorm warning. I think they're going to let this severe thunderstorm warning go. I don't think they're going to issue another one. The Weather Service office here in Wakefield has not said anything yet. So that's the whole reason why we're live right now, is because of the severe thunderstorm warning that popped up for the city of Richmond and the city of Mechanicsville, Highland Springs, over here by the airport. You got a cell right here around the airport. It's producing lightning. This is the severe warned cell that they initially warned on. Let's look at. They got this little cell right here, over by Westover Gardens in Manchester. We're going to put it in motion here. And this storm is just pretty much blown up and sit. It's just sitting. So this storm is pretty much popped up on the radar, and it's just now sitting over Mechanicsville, dumping a lot of rain and packing a lot of lightning. Let's see if I can't. Let's get a 3D view of this storm. And this storm is high. We're pushing about 53 decibels. So this storm is pretty high. At one time, this storm did produce hail. So right now, like I said, we are just waiting for this National Weather Service to figure out what they're going to do with this severe thunderstorm warning. If they're going to let it go, or they're going to extend it downwind from this storm. Right now, I keep on switching from the radar to my to Wakefield and seeing what they're going to do with it. I'm going to pull up the text for you. So this text that I'm showing live on the air, this expires in 1 minute. So until 4:45, so we got 1 more minute. At 4:17, a severe thunderstorm located over East Highland Park or over Virginia Union University and is nearly stationary. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. All right, the warning just expired, so they're not going to issue a severe thunderstorm warning with this storm. So the severe thunderstorm warning is off the board. So your severe thunderstorm warning is off the board. Now we just have this flash flood warning that goes for 2 hours and 45 minutes. This warning expires at 7:30 tonight. Doppler radar indicated that thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area between 0.5 and an inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is half an inch to an inch in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. We are considered in this polygon. We are in where I am, we are in the Polygon. So right now we are staying with the. We're going to stay with you for a little bit longer until this. This special weather statement. This is for. I think this special weather statement is for cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3. So we're going to go ahead and end the live here. Stay with It's Weather Time Wexlab for additional updates. If you want to be in the Discord server where I post updates, and I'll post updates on YouTube. Feel free to send me a email, or I will email you what's going on, or let us know in the chat. So other than that, I am Dakota with It's Weather Time Wexlab. We're going to go ahead and end the severe thunderstorm. We're going to go ahead and end the severe weather coverage. Y'all have a good day. And if anything happens with this cell over the Richmond area or over the Gulf Coast area, we'll be gladly to come back on the air. So y'all have a good rest of the day and stay safe. This has been a severe weather coverage from the It's Weather Time Wexlab and Textamet Studios.